Okay, so today we're going to look at how to change a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. The fraction that you've got is 4 2/3, which is a mixed fraction, and we want to make that improper. So, do you have any idea where to start? What should you do first?
You should start by spreading out the fraction to make it not mixed.
Okay, so in other words, take the whole number, multiply by the denominator, and add the numerator.
Okay.
You have to remember, though, that you need to keep the common denominator.
So 3.
So once you carry out that operation, 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14 over 3. Okay, so the next one is a negative fraction. And what that means is that this number can be found somewhere between -2 and -3. What you have to remember is almost in your mind put a set of brackets around the top of the fraction so you keep everything together. So if you would just put a negative and then bracket, okay, so it's the whole number times the denominator, and to that you're going to add 3. And you keep the common denominator. So leaving the negative out front, what is your fraction?
13 over 5.
Yeah. Okay, so we now have two fractions, and we're trying to find how to add these two together. The first step we need to do is find a common denominator, because we can't add 2/3 and 5/3 because the denominators are not the same. So if we take 2 over 3 and multiply both the top and the bottom by 3, then you would have
6 plus 5 over 9,
right?
which would be 11 over 9.
Okay, now if you want to make that a mixed fraction from your improper fraction, you take the denominator and divide it into the numerator, which is 1, because 9 goes into 11 once, and you have 2 remainder. Okay, thanks very much for your help.